This video is part of the course that is GraphQL with Spring Boot. Link for this course is given in the description. Hello and welcome back. So till now we have seen what is GraphQL and what is GraphQL query. Now in this lecture we will see what is GraphQL mutation. So GraphQL mutation is used to alter the data. That means to create, update or delete the data. In GraphQL we have query to get the data and we use mutation to alter the data. That means to create, update or delete the data. Now let's take the example of REST APIs to understand the GraphQL mutation. So in REST APIs we have different HTTP methods like HTTP post method to create the data, put method to update the data and HTTP delete method to delete the data. So in the same way in GraphQL we use mutation to create, update or delete the data. So in short, we use mutation to alter the data in GraphQL. Now, while working with Java, GraphQL provides GraphQL Mutation Resolver interface. And that's what we are going to use in our Spring Boot application. We will use GraphQL Mutation Resolver in our Spring Boot application to create the mutation. Now, you may be thinking that how to use this interface and how to create our very first mutation in Spring Boot application. So that we will see in the upcoming lectures, okay? As we proceed in the course, you will learn how to create your very first GraphQL query in the Spring Boot application. And you will also learn how to create your very first mutation with Spring Boot application. For now, you need to understand that we use mutation in GraphQL to alter the data. That means to create, update or delete the data, and to understand that you can compare it with REST APIs, HTTP, post, put and delete methods. And while working with Java, we use GraphQL Mutation Resolver interface to create the mutation in our Spring Boot application. So this is an overview of GraphQL mutation. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Do you want to learn GraphQL? If yes, then I'm having complete course on it, that is GraphQL with Spring Boot. This course covers what is GraphQL query, mutation, schema and the difference between GraphQL API and REST API. This course also covers the real-time implementation of GraphQL with Spring Boot. This course also includes how to use Project Lombok with Spring Boot application. So, what are you waiting for? The course link is given in the description. Just click on that link and start your journey of GraphQL with Spring Boot. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding!